Hello! In this video, we'll explore how to retain your original voice on the Trupeer platform. Once you've completed the video recording, you'll notice several options in the Video tab above. At the far end, there's a volume pop-up. Click on it. This feature allows you to retain your original voice. After clicking on it, simply select Generate AI Content. Once your video is generated, click on the Edit Video option. To confirm it's working, click on the AI voice. You'll see the Use Original Voice option is enabled. Alternatively, you can click on the Upload Video option. Then, choose any video from the file manager if you prefer. Once you've selected the video, you'll see the Use Creator Original Voice option. Click on it and then hit Submit. This feature is also available during the upload process. That's how you can use the Retain Your Original Voice feature on Trupeer. Thank you for watching.